Let me go with the 11th one. Right, find the ratio of 90 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Right, whenever you are going to find the ratio, right, the unit must be same, then only you can compare it. Right, now they have given centimeter and as well as meter. So now let me convert meter into centimeter. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? Now, so 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 into 100, which is going to be 150 centimeter. Now you can find the ratio, that is 90 by 150. Simplified, 0 will be cancelled, that is 9 by 15. So now again 3 3s are 3 5s. The ratio of 90 centimeter to 1.5 is 3:1.